This game winner from CJ McCollum last night against the Knicks was not the most impressive thing he has done in this series. But what is CJ doing to Jalen Brunson? I didn't have this on my bingo card. CJ is simply the best player in this series so far. McCollum looked like MJ. He literally hunted Brunson for ISO situations. McCollum sees food every time Brunson is standing in front of him. After Game 2, McCollum openly revealed that he looks for Brunson in pick-and-roll scenarios, and when Brunson isn't able to stop McCollum, this has forced the Knicks to make defensive adjustments. So what they did was switch Josh Hart onto him to take advantage of his athleticism and length, but this has hurt the team in other areas.
28 on the night, cross on Brunson, get in the paint, float it up, float it in, CJ McCollum!
The tension between the two stars is so obvious. Here in Game 2, McCollum accused Brunson of flopping after kicking him in the groin.
I shot a jumper and Jalen thought we were at a Broadway show. And, he acted it out until they reviewed it, and it's a normal jump shot, nothing there. Unnecessary, and I look forward to getting my $2,500 back.
But what sealed it for me is when both players had the ball to win it for their respective teams. When things got tight in the fourth quarter, CJ took over. He made that clutch shot, while Brunson choked on the final play of the game.
Here in Game 3. 7 seconds left. Brunson with the ball. Brunson makes his move. Brunson on the baseline. Hart's got to track it down. Dug it in by Kuminga. It's over.
The beautiful thing about playoff basketball is it challenges how you think about the game. Everyone thinks Jalen Brunson is undoubtedly a better basketball player than CJ McCollum. It all makes sense, he's more productive, he's a perennial all-star, but when you watch this Knicks-Hawks series, you sit there and ask what actually makes him better. Yes, the sample size is small, but when the stakes are high, what gives you an edge in the playoffs is efficiency, attention to detail, and intelligence. Those are the qualities that separate champions from the rest. And Brunson, despite scoring 25-plus points, is not living up to his status as one of the best players in this league. CJ McCollum was seen as salary filler when the Trae Young trade went down, and now he just won the Hawks 2 playoff games. The NBA never fails to give us stories of redemption. If you agree with me, hit the like button. Thanks so much for watching.